Welcome my people, we are here in the streets of New Kingston and we tell us so we are gonna do it, right? You can see that we are in New Kingston and we just are gonna go about and talk to some people, getting some real videos here today, because we did say we're gonna go in the streets and we are in the streets, you understand? So we're gonna talk to some people and showcase some different things, because we have people homeless in New Kingston, if you never know. You have people where I sell things in New Kingston like hustler, real style, and look on New Kingston, look here. This is the money place, this is the money capital. But guess what, you have people homeless, you have people who are hustle, you have everything. And guess what, we're going to jump right tonight. But here we're going to check out the quick intro on that video here and we're going to come right back. Right at Burger King. We have cold juice, drinking cigarette, everything there. Catch a snack. See there? And we say 2030. Yeah. Cheers. No joke. Masterpiece.
Yeah man. Real. Yeah man. Jamaican chat, you see me? God. Then argument. Big argument. See it out there.
Yeah man, no joke man. When you come to check us, we have it.
Yeah man, phone case charger, earphone, accessories. Yeah man, you don't know go 10 to 16 grenade away, up top. Yeah man, same way. Charge man, look what I'm going with this. All the new cases, charger, earphone. You know say, latest earphones. See it there? Yeah man, you know what I'm going. Come right at Burger King here. Yeah man, official location, 10 to 16 grenade away. Yeah man. Side number 584-3310. Just like that. Yeah.
say something, Rasta.
Huh?
Say something now.
Alright, well on.
Big up yourself, man.
Alright.
Well going, how the streets?
Streets are cold.
Streets cold?
Yeah.
So say I go on there, look work though.
Yeah, you see?
True.
But I agree with this. You know, when you have little something to do.
True. Alright.
You know what they say, I go hands, you know?
That is true.
God, damn is this.
That is true. You want to put your thing to good use, you know? Good work.
Right.
Try. We say you're like about this right here, so don't it?
Yeah.
I'm here for years, you know, I know say whole half the thing, you know. You can't hold a reason with the people them.
Which people?
The people them, the viewers them, how long you there in the streets now, my G?
Good.
A long time I know you know my boss. Because I'm working in New Kingston a while. How long you there in the streets now?
A good while.
Good look a while. So what make you feel? What make you reach in the streets?
Holy things. Just life, you know?
Life, my general.
Yeah.
So you feel like the government are doing nothing for help people there in the streets, especially New Kingston, look which part with that.
But me myself look at this stuff. Me don't do believe in the government. The government of Babylon, so they do their thing, I do mine. I don't want them responsible.
Yeah. I feel what you say, Steve. I feel what you say, because I mean, you have to do your thing, and because them are do for them thing for sure.
Yeah.
So you just have to do your thing. You see
If
me?
any of them people I want to make them response, I guess them can.
Yeah.
It's up to them.
True.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see you in the streets still, I'm a general. Well, not necessarily in the streets, but
Still
glad to
alive,
see you
yeah.
still up, you see me? And still I do the thing, and yeah, we just have to keep positive. You know, the thing is strong, but you see me? Do what we can do in my day, you see me?
Yeah.
Man, people, so the general are living it. Don't tell them say New Kingston with that. Look on the streets, look how it's pretty. On them vehicle there, expensive vehicle and all of that. You see what I'm saying? You know, feel like so the government need to do more for the people them. Definitely. Look what's power there. All of these companies are some top companies, you know, major. Because Porsche store right there. See me?
Wi-Fi, Instagram, second page of the TikTok. I'm going to read that. Yeah. Hear that? Garrison.
Big up, Garrison. Big up.
Garrison. Yeah.
I'll go and show the people them what you're dealing with, man.
Remember that. Then soon let him know. Don't worry about that. Do so that comes together. Yeah. God, I was
Alright, Gaza man, this you know. Show the people them what you all about now, man. See the man things, man. Work equipment. Work I get done. Car wash, New Kingston.
Yeah, 24-hour thing here.
24-hour right through.
Real time. No hanky-panky, no way to get it. God, I was
Alright, we tell you. Yes, definitely. Alright, my people, we're still there in the streets. Still there in the streets of New Kingston. See that? Can you see New Kingston? Now we touch to a different part of New Kingston, the more grimy parts of New Kingston, people. We just show you all the parts of New Kingston. You get what I mean? Different parts, aspect. Welcome, my general. You come say something for people, man. So when I'm a general from New Kingston to them, man, I show the whole scope. The most serious power there, don't it? Serious power there, people. You must see that. Yeah, my general. Say something for the people. Like, Alright. Everything good? Everything good? Alright, my general. Let's say a word, man. Alright. See that, people? Don't prison there. We're going to circle the ground. Give the people in my circle. Have a look at betting shop inside right there, so I know my style, but we're going to check it out.
at least we forward. So me I say to the youth them nowadays, I want to not take it, you know. You see me? Yeah man. And this is the top lab station. Yeah man, Jamaican time. Well badness put it down. I don't know if everybody fit. Badness, why you go bad the crime list? You put it down. I know if everybody fit. About this they go pick up and switch. Hold on, long time. We are one that look how idiot marry. Put down the gun or else him a go sorry. You know like we have them go the green soldier Larry. Enough do the crime and end up on sorry. Long time. We are one that look how idiot Mitch. And this go pick up and switch. Hold on, hotness put it down. Yeah man, wanna take it here. Life for the greatest.
Alright my people, perfect. Alright, see what time o'clock right now. See, we are about to jump out. And I go beg everybody, the first may I say it from the whole video start, but please click, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Help me grow people, help this Jamaican chat grow, help us get out there. You understand? Love everybody. Just wanted to showcase and show you what was happening in the country in terms of especially New Kingston people. This is the prim and the prop. If you're in America and you're thinking about New York, this is our New York. You understand? But you have different things happening in terms of life and how people is living. So I just wanted to showcase that, get it out there. Please like, share, subscribe everybody. Jamaican chat, we are getting out there people, we are getting bigger. You see where our subscribers, they're just mounting up, right? They're mounting up. We're gonna continue to grow. Thank you so much everybody. We are out.